hope so. You all are fine as well as safe at home. Welcome to Nagesh Kurasgi Orchid School TV channel. Myself Atika Kudle. Children, today we are going to study awareness subject. So, open your awareness skill book, page number 2727. Okay? We will wait for 2 minutes. Let all of them get ready. Okay? Children, today we are going to study how to plant a tree. Okay? It's a very interesting topic. You all will enjoy this session. Shall we start? All are ready? Yes? This is a pot. This is a pot. Okay? Now, we are going to fill this pot with mud. Okay? With the help of this, we are going to fill the mud in this pot. Okay? See how I am filling the mud in the pot. Okay? Still some more mud we are going to put in this pot. Okay? See, like this you have to fill the pot with the mud. Okay? Now children, take some seeds. I have taken green moong pulses. I have taken green moong pulses as a seed. Okay? Now children, after filling the mud in the pot, what we are going to do? We are going to put some seeds in this pot. We are going to put some seeds in this pot. Okay? After that, again you have to put some mud in this pot. See how I am putting the mud in the pot? Are you able to see? Yes. Like this, we are going to put mud on the seeds which we have sown in this pot. Okay. After putting the mud, we have got a water can. Okay? Watering plant can. You have to fill with water. Okay? After putting the mud in the pot, pour some water in this pot. Okay? Now this pot you have to keep in the sun outside of the house where the sun rays are coming properly. There you have to keep this pot. The sun rays are also very important to grow the plant. Okay? Now take this pot and keep outside in the sun rays. Okay? Did you all enjoy it? Now, children, take your page number 2727. Be ready with that. Did you all understood how to plant? Yes, children, how to plant a tree? Yes, very easy and very interesting. You all will enjoy. If you will do at home, definitely you are going to enjoy. Okay? Now, open your book. Be ready. Are you ready? Yes? Very good. Now children, what is the name of the lesson? Yes? Can anybody tell me? See, the name of the lesson is plants. The name of the lesson is plants. How to plant a tree. How to प्लांट अ ट्री. आज हम लोग सीखने वाले हैं झाड़ कैसे लगाए जाते हैं, ट्रीज कैसे लगाए जाते हैं. डायरेक्ट ऐसे ही आ जाता है क्या ट्री? नो, ऐसे नहीं आता है ट्री. फर्स्ट हम लोगों को क्या लेना है? एक पॉट लेना है. टेक अ पॉट. टेक अ पॉट. आफ्टर टेकिंग द पॉट, द सेकेंड स्टेप इज put a layer of gravel at the bottom. ये gravel दिख रहा है आपको? ये आपको नीचे एंड में डालना है. ओके. नाउ आफ्टर दैट द थर्ड स्टेप इज fill the pot with soil. With the soil. Put some soil. Just now I have shown you how to put the soil. अभी हम लोगों ने देखा ना पॉट में सॉइल कैसे डालना है. पॉट में थोड़ा सा सॉइल डालना है, आधा पॉट सॉइल डालना है. उसके बाद हम लोग उसमें सीड सो करेंगे, सीड्स लगाएंगे. ओके. देन fourth step is cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. हम लोगों ने बीज डाला पहले. बीज डालने के बाद फिर से हम लोगों को क्या करना है उसे करेक्ट सॉइल से थोड़ा कवर करना है. ओके. सॉइल से थोड़ा उसे कवर करना है. आफ्टर दैट फिफ्थ स्टेप इज वाटर द सीडलिंग रेगुलरली. टीचर ने अभी आपको बताया ना वाटरिंग कैन लेना है, ऐसा इस तरीके का बताया ना टीचर ने आपको. इसमें पानी फिल करना है, वाटर फिल करना है आपको. और जो हम लोगों ने अभी सीड्स लगाए हुए थे उसमें आपको पानी पोर करना है. यू हैव टू वाटर द सीड्स रेगुलरली. रोज आपको इसको पानी डालना है. ओके. और इसे कहाँ प्लेस करना है आपको? अंदर घर में करोगे? नो, इन द सन रेज. वेयर द सन रेज आर देयर यू हैव टू कीप दैट पॉट देयर. ओके. जहाँ पे धूप की किरणें अच्छी तरीके से आती है वहाँ पे आपको इस पॉट को रखना है, क्योंकि जब पॉट को सॉइल और वाटर के साथ साथ सन रेज भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तभी आपका प्लांट ग्रो होगा, तभी आपके सीड्स प्लांट में ट्रांसफर होंगे. ओके. नाउ सिक्स्थ पॉइंट इज पुट योर पॉट इन द सन. जस्ट नाउ आई हैव सेड नो वाटर द पॉट एंड देन कीप द पॉट इन द सन. वेट फॉर द प्लांट टू ग्रो. और आपको रोज ये प्लांट्स को है ना पॉट को पानी डालना है. फिर थोड़े दिन के बाद आपका छोटू सा प्लांट आ जाएगा इस तरीके से. ओके. और फिर जब आप इस छोटू से प्लांट को रोज पानी डालेंगे तो ये बड़ा होता जाएगा. एंड द एथ स्टेप इज दिस इज योर प्लांट, टेक केयर ऑफ इट. और इस तरीके से हमको क्या करना है, इस प्लांट की केयर करना चाहिए. केयर कैसे करोगे? रोज इसको पानी डालोगे. ओके. इसके लीव्स वगैरह तोड़ना नहीं है आपको. ओके. लाइक दिस यू शुड टेक द केयर ऑफ द प्लांट. ओके. लेट्स सी.
Plants. How to plant a tree? Get a pot. Now put a layer of gravel at the bottom. Then fill the pot with soil and sow seeds. Cover the seeds with a thin layer of soil. Now water the seedlings regularly. Keep your pot in the sun and wait for the plant to grow. This is your plant. Take care of it.
Understood, children? In this way, you have to plant a tree. Interesting, no? Now, turn the page. All are ready with nicely sharpened pencil and eraser? Yes? Now, children, what you have to do here, see. What they are asking, now we have studied how to plant a tree, isn't it? Now they are asking if you have understood how to plant a tree, now tell us that which first number is what? Number the pictures in the correct sequence. They have given some pictures over here. How to? Yes, how to? Who is going to say how to plant a tree? Yes, very good. How to plant a tree? They have given some picture over here. Now step by step how you are going to plant a tree. What is the first step? What is the second step? Like this you have to number the pictures over here. Okay. Shall we start? Yes children, shall we start? All are ready now? Let's start. First picture, see, is it a first step of planting a tree? No, it is not a correct one. Then see over here, which is the correct one? Yes, take a pot. Take a pot is the first step to plant a tree. Write number 1. Write number 1. After taking a pot, what you have to do? You have to fill the pot with soil, isn't it? So, which is second step? Filling soil in a pot is our second step. Now, after filling the soil in a pot, what is our third step? Yes, correct. You have to sow the seeds. Third step is sowing seeds in the pot is our third step for planting a tree. After sowing seed, what do you have to do? Yes, very good. You all are enjoying. You have to water the pot. Fourth step is water the pot. You have to water the seedlings, isn't it? After watering the seedlings, what you are going to do? You are going to keep the pot in the sun. Very good. This is our fifth step, isn't it? This is our fifth step. After a few days, you will find that this small plant has grown up and you can see nice leaves, stem, flowers, isn't it? And this is our sixth step, isn't it? Yes, children? Yes, children? Come on, do it. Write the numbers. Today we have learned how to plant a tree. Same way at home also, with the help of your big brother, sister, or with the help of your mama, you can plant a tree. Okay? You all have to do this at home. Till then, bye. Take care.